Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make some Barbie bracelets for my nieces today. They've requested. I'm going to make them in 5 inches. That measures their wrist. Just going to cut 12 inches. Makes it easier to tie. I hope you've had a good day today. Sun has been shining here in Bristol, UK. I'll cut another length, I need to do 2. Just fast forwarded this because I need to put some beads. I'm using 8mm bead, acrylic. I purchased these from Amazon. As a set, they were £11.99. I'm not going to do them the same, so let's hope they don't argue. This bead had no hole. When I checked all of them, none of them had holes in that colour. All these? How strange. I must go back and look at the description. Maybe I can add them to some bead cages. Approximately 5.5 inches. Now we are ready to tie the bracelet. Just do a normal knot. Then give it a stretch. Then I'm going to do another knot, but I'm going to actually put it round twice, otherwise known as a surgeon's knot. I'll put a photo up for you to show you. And then we will tie it once more. And then snip. With cutters or scissors if you haven't got cutters. These are getting a bit blunt, so I think I need a new pair. And that's the first bracelet done. Now on to the next bracelet. Choose which beads I'm going to use. Decisions on what colours to use. Just counting the beads. 16. Right, let's get beading. Whoops, like they've grown legs and ran off. Well, it looks like I'm on a boat trying to bead. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I've got lots of videos available and lots more planned. I did actually go and get a pink letter bead. It has the letter B on for Barbie. And then we're ready to tie again. And stretch. We do a normal knot. Then the double. The surgeon's knot. And then stretch. And then tie again. And then one more for luck. And then we'll snip with the snippers that don't want to cut. Gosh, how embarrassing. Okay, and there they are. Have lots of fun making your Barbie creations. Take care. Bye.